Hey y'all, so I'm just bored right now, so I'm gonna make a video. And we got a guest.
Yes.
Buddha again. Say hey Buddha.
Hi, Buddha.
No, that's your name.
Buddha.
Yeah, he's Buddha. Say I love Meg. Say Meg.
Meg.
Say I love Meg.
Meg.
He's still a little, but he's 2 years old. He's the cutest thing ever. Crap, I can't do his name. Buddha. Yeah, this dude's big. Okay, watch the earring.
Ugly.
He's like having a hard time balancing on my leg, so. Yeah, you can see yourself on there. You don't know what I keep saying.
Bye.
Okay. Stand up. Okay. Yep, I can still see you. Say Buddha.
Buddha.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say welcome.
Welcome
To
to
Meg.
Meg.
Webcam. We don't know what the heck that was. That was just that.
I'm gonna tell you that.
Hey Buddha.
Boo-boo.
Fist pump. Yeah. He's trying. Hey Buddha. Watch this. Buddha. Look. This is me. I don't know what's up with him. He's been doing this for a while. And now it's just like hanging around. That's weird. Okay. So, and the other guest is coming. Hey there, Emma. You want to get up here too?
No.
You don't?
Shut
You sure you don't want to let them see pretty pink? Your pretty pink clothes? Oh, you want to get in there? Yeah. I got a pussy today. Come on. You can see her right there. Emma, say hi.
Hi.
You just talked to her.
Mom. Yeah.
What the heck? He's like hard. No, leave that alone, Emma. Leave it. Yeah. No! No! Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No! Why are you being destructive just because we got a video on?
Ow. Oh,
Oh, you hurt your foot? You okay? She hurt her foot.
are you okay?
What's wrong? You go there and I'm guessing she hurt her foot. Okay.
Behind.
Here, Emma, you can play with this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a rubber band.
Yeah.
Good uses them. Okay.
No.
Hmm?
That's mine. That's mine. You want my phone.
Okay, she's ready right now, and we got her settled, and we got this little boy.
Hi.
We need to stand up.
Oh.
Up. Okay. So, let's see what he's gonna act like. We're gonna play one of his favorite songs. No, Buddha, stop. I'm a... Okay, let's just see what he does.
What?
Yeah, I hate commercials. Okay, here we go.
Look for the Gummy Bear album in stores on November 13th.
Yeah, but
Lots of
you know who
music,
that is.
videos, and extras. a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, yummy, fluffy, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a
There.
gummy bear. Oh, I love it. Gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bing, 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 doody, body, bum, bing, bang, doody, body,
No, he's angry. I'm sorry.
Oh, you know?
Here, come here. Good, sit over. Now we got her over here. Gummy bear. She likes gummy bear. They are hypnotized by that. Oh, now she's red. Come on. Look at this. Hey, okay. Oh, again. God, they're heavy. What are y'all? Cookie counters? Oh. Whoa, whoa. Okay. So I got it in this video real quick. So, bye.